Hey guys, welcome to Jaxbeautifulyou. In today's video, we are going to be testing out and reviewing the new High Tide eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I thought this just looked so beautiful and I cannot wait to play with this. I did kind of a little mini haul from Ulta recently and I picked up this as well. This is from Kiss. These are some lashes. This is for limited edition for Pride Month. It's Live Love Lash. And I thought that they just looked super beautiful and they're only like $5. I think they're $4.99. And I just thought they looked really, really good. So I want to test these out as well. But I really just want to focus on this palette today. It looks gorgeous. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie and I do beauty, perfume, and special effects related videos every single week on my channel. Everybody is welcome on this channel. This is a judgment-free and positive channel, and if that sounds good to you, then I would love for you to subscribe. Also, head over to my Instagram and my TikTok, which are both Jaxbeautifulyou, to check out looks I do over there. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see me do some swatches and a look with the brand new Colourpop High Tide eyeshadow palette, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, I love the packaging of this. It's so pretty and I don't know if I can get it to translate on camera, but it's just really shiny and it looks gorgeous. The inside of it looks so pretty as well. These tones are just these aqua kind of teal looking shades. Remind me of summer. It reminds me of the ocean and it just looks gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with it. I think I already have these shades in my collection. I'm sure I do somewhere. But this one got me, okay? It got me. It grabbed me, it pulled me in, it got me. This eyeshadow palette retails for $14 and I got mine at Ulta, but you can also get it on the Colourpop website. So it says that it's featuring a range of pastel aquas to deep and sultry aquas for the ultimate mermaid look. That sounds, I think that's what got me, because who doesn't want to look like a mermaid? I know I do. I do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this palette for you. Alright guys, this is Just a Splash, which is a soft pastel aqua with silver pinpoints. This is Currents, a mid-tone seafoam green. This is Free Floating, which is a silver metallic aqua. This is Urchin, which is a rich matte teal. Must See, a vibrant aqua with golden highlights. Flora, smoky matte teal. Mermaid Boy, which is metallic smoky teal with green duochrome finish. That one looks stunning. This is the New Wave, which is a bright matte teal, and then this is Lunar, which is a blackened teal. So everything looks super beautiful. I really like this shade right here. This looks super metallic and beautiful. So I'm very excited to test these out on the eyes. They did swatch really nicely. Okay, I'm going to start off with some eyeshadow primer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I really love this. I did notice that there are no pressed glitters in this palette, which I think is a pro for most people. I think most people don't like glitters. I do like pressed glitters a lot, but I think a lot of people just don't. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you for glitters or not? I'm curious if I'm like one of the few people who loves glitters or if there are more people out there like me, but let me know in the comment section below. All right, we're going to go ahead and start out. I want to try to test out as many of these shades as I possibly can. So I'm going to start out with this shade right here called Just a Splash. It is a matte shade, but it has a lot of sparkle in the powder. I do find usually that this type of formula, it looks really pretty in the pan, but once you put it on the eyes, the sparkle kind of disappears. So let's find out. All right, I'm going to take that shade and I'm just going to put it up above where my crease is. And just as I thought, there's no sparkle once you put it on. It just looks like a matte. Very light shade. It's very pretty though, but it is pretty light. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is called Currents, right here, and I'm going to put that with the same brush, just a little bit lower. So that is a really beautiful shade, and I'm finding that it's building up really nicely. I feel like you can really control the pigmentation of that. It kind of started off a little soft, and then I added some more layers on, and it built up to the pigmentation that I personally like, and there were no problems whatsoever with that. So that shade blended out really well, builds up. It's really nice. So we're going to keep going here, and I want to try this shade right here called Flora. And I'm still going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to go even lower with this one. Right into where my actual crease is. That shade's pretty. I feel like it just added a little bit of depth. It blended out really well. No issues at all. I want to go into this shade right here called Urchin. That one looks super, super pretty, and we're going to add a little bit of depth to this. So I'm just going to put this on the outer corners and blend it up into my crease just a little. And I'm going to pack it on first and get the placement where I want it, and then I'll blend it out. Alright, I'm going to go back into my fluffy brush. I'm going to blend this out a little. Okay, I really, really like that shade. That's really pretty. These mattes are doing really well, in my opinion. They're very pigmented, very blendable, no issues. I'm not having any problems with patchiness or it doing anything weird, so far so good. Normally I think I would stop here, but I just want to keep testing these out. So I'm going to go into this shade here called Lunar, and let's deepen up the outer corners just a little bit more. Just going to put a little bit of this shade on the outer corner. Okay, let's get into some shimmers. This shimmer right in the middle here, this is looking really, really beautiful and calling my name. It's called Must See. So I'm going to put this on my finger, and I'm just going to put this in the middle to outer portion of my lid. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Definite mermaid vibes, for sure. There was just a little bit of fallout with that shade though, so kind of keep that in mind if you do your face makeup first. Not anything too bad, just a little bit. And then this shade right here called Free Floating, I'm going to put on the inner portion. And just kind of blend them together in where they meet. That's really, really pretty. I think the shimmers in here are gorgeous. This one right here I'm curious about too. This is the duochrome one, the one that I didn't use. So it's funny, actually, this shade is called Mermaid Boy online. They have it listed as Mermaid Boy on Ulta's website, but then in the actual pan it says Muscle Beach is the name of the shade. So I think that might have been a screw up. It's actually called Muscle Beach. But anyway, this is the one that they said is the, metallic smoky teal with green duochrome finish. It's pretty. So let's incorporate that into this look because that looks gorgeous. All right, I'm going to pick that shade up and then wet my brush. And then let's place this on the outer portion of the eyelid. That is a really, really, really pretty, like, dark looking shimmer. I think that's gorgeous. All right, you guys, so far I'm really, really liking this look. I think it looks super summery, ocean, mermaid vibes 100%. So let me go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, but I will come back to do the lower lash line and inner corner highlight and all of that. Plus I really, really want to test out these lashes with you today as well. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and finish up my lower lash line with this palette, and real quick I just want to let you know, in my waterline I used the LA Girl Neon Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It is super affordable. I think it's really pigmented and it just performs really well, and this is their Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Fresh. So I think it goes really well with this look. So I want to go back into this dark shade here called Lunar, and we're just going to put that on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Okay, and then I want to go into this shimmer shade here called Muscle Beach, and I'm going to put that on the middle part of the lower lash line. And then back into Free Floating, and that's going to go in the inner portion. And we'll use it for an inner corner highlight. It seems a little bit dark for an inner corner highlight. I'm going to add just a little bit of this Just Splashin' and see what that does. That kind of brightens it up a little bit. And I'm going to use Just Splashing as a brow bone highlight. Okay, it definitely looks very mermaid vibes for sure. Let's check out these eyelashes. So like I said, these are $4.99 on the Ulta website. They are limited edition, and I thought they looked absolutely beautiful, so let's test them out. Okay, so I'm looking on the Ulta website for the Kiss lashes, and it looks like there are a few different styles, and I have mine in the style Sweetie. So it says that these are dramatic, long, and voluminous. To really make your eyes stand out, Sweetie has a dramatic, staggered effect with a mix of extra long and short, super wispy lashes, which is definitely right up my alley. I like really dramatic lashes, but they do have a couple more on here as well. It looks like they just have different styles, some that don't look quite so dramatic. But anyway, I need to measure these to my eyes real fast. The band on these is kind of thick, which isn't always my favorite, but we'll give them a shot. Okay, and that seemed to go on relatively easily, and the band actually looks pretty nice, and it feels comfortable. So yeah, I didn't have any issues with that. I think that looks really pretty. Let's put the other one on. Okay, so I think that went on pretty well, and I think that they look really nice. I'm really liking these. I think that they're very beautiful. I'm not really having any issues with them. Yeah, they look nice. I like them. So for $5, these are pretty good. So I'm actually going to take some eyeliner and I'm going to kind of clean up. And that's not these lashes. Every single time I put lashes on, I always feel like I need some liner to kind of like hide the band a little bit better, you know? I don't always do that, but it's a nice extra step to kind of help make it blend in, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Labs liquid liner, and I'm just going to run the liner along where the band meets my lid. Just a small little line to help it kind of all blend in. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. Let's talk about this palette. I really like it. I think it's really good. It's very beautiful. I think I do have these shades already, but I really love monochromatic palettes that make it super easy for me to put looks together like this. It's a $14 palette, and I think it was worth it for sure. I think I'm going to use this a lot during the summer because the eye look is gorgeous. If you like colorful monochromatic looks and you really like aqua eyeshadow, I think you would really like this palette. It's very good quality from Colourpop. All the shimmers were beautiful, the mattes were beautiful, and yeah, I just really like it. I think this is a fun summertime look, and I am also really impressed with the lashes as well. I really am liking these a lot. They're very comfortable. I was a little concerned about the band. The band looked a little thick, but it was really easy to apply. I had no issues, and I really can't even feel them on my eyes. So, and I think that they're a good length. I think they're dramatic. They're beautiful. and very, very, very affordable. So yeah, this was a success. I am happy with how everything turned out. What do you guys think? Is this a palette that you guys have your eye on? Are you interested in this? Do you like this color? And what kind of lashes do you normally get? Let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!